The Chefman Precision Kettle boils water faster than the microwave or the stovetop methods, so you spend less time waiting for your delicious hot beverages. Kettle lights up with bright LEDs while the water is boiling, so you know exactly when your water is ready. No more guesswork. Great for hot or iced tea, coffee, instant oatmeal, baby bottles, and more. Bonus tea infuser is included with purchase for brewing your favorite loose leaf or bagged teas directly in the stain-resistant borosilicate glass kettle. The kettle easily lifts from its base for easy filling at the sink and graceful serving without the hassle of a power cord. It can also be returned to its power source from any direction, great for right and left-handed users. This kettle has added safety features such as a stay-cool handle to prevent your hand from burning, auto internal temperature control that boils water quickly and provides added safety by shutting off the kettle once water reaches a boil. No need to worry about this kettle boiling dry. The boil dry feature automatically turns the kettle off when there is little or no water left.